Hello, this is Chris. Just thought I'd do a video on my Lionel tank engine. It's a number 605. Actually, you put the 0 in front, 0605. But it's a rubber band drive, which I've never had one with a rubber band drive. But I did a lot of work getting this running again. The rubber band that came with it was broken, so I found some replacements. And I had to clean it up and take it apart and modify some things. And first I tried to use an O-ring to get it to work, but there wasn't much clearance down inside here. And even with the rubber band on there, it actually rubbed the sides. The gear down, or the little sprocket at the bottom, I modified it, tried to make the groove a little bit deeper so the rubber band wouldn't stick out as far. But it's working. You just can't pull a big load with it. On the back of the motor it says Lionel, and I put a Kadee number 37 coupler on here. A regular one is too low. This one has the shank so that the coupler sits up on it. And it's got a different type of a gearbox or draft gear on here. It still has a centering spring. It's a little different. And each driver is powered by the motor. The drive rods don't actually drive any of the wheels, which I thought would be good, but these drive rods seem to hang up a little bit. They're actually grooved and they have some space for slop in there, but they still kind of bind up. But let me I can show you it run with the rubber band moving. Let's see. One thing I thought was interesting was the armature, or the actual windings, were different colors. You can see one's green, one's yellow, one's like an orange. It is quiet. Just have it pulling 2 Pennsylvania passenger cars. But I'll put the shell on and let you see it after this lap. Headlight works. Front coupler I didn't do yet. I don't know if I will. Convert it to Kadee. And let me pause it and I'll put the shell on. Well, now the shell is on. One little screw on top of the smokestack holds it down. It's got, I guess, really 2 headlights. I don't know if somebody added that headlight on top. You can see some glue around it. I haven't checked to see if other ones have it, but it doesn't light up, only the center one in the center of the boiler front. It has a bell, safety valve. I think that's a generator up there. Drive rods look nice. But it's got it's a plastic shell, but it does have a weight on inside. It gives it a little more pulling power. There's the next engine I'm going to work on. Somebody has the drive rods hooked up wrong. They should go in the bottom part of the steam chest. But I'm satisfied with this engine. It runs pretty well. Just don't expect it to pull many cars, or the rubber band will come off. If it overloads or the drive rods get jammed, it will cause the rubber band to come off. I may try a new rubber band on it, another new one, because I think this one could be a little stretched now that I've been messing with it. I did get the soldering iron close to it one time, but it didn't seem to affect it. I had to rewire some of the wires. I think were hooked up wrong, and I think originally they were having problems with some shorting inside with the pickups on the wheels, but I seem to have sorted that all out. I don't have any shorting problem now. Well, that's about it for this engine. Another little switcher dockside, but I'm going to stick mainly to the Varney docksiders and possibly do a few more, fix them up like that one over there. So I'll see you again next time. Take care.